This video is a demonstration of the bottom watering techniques I use for these plants, and I think you've seen in my other videos I wait till they're really dramatically drooping and falling all over the place, and that's going to help their roots. Anyhow, I get something that is about the size of the planter. This is a 6-inch planter. This barely fits in there, and the reason I do this is to keep the water off of the leaves. Among other things, you can get it a good soak without losing too many nutrients out of your soil or washing it through. So I'll set it in there, and I'll make sure the leaves are hanging over the edges so they don't drip in there. And we really want to prevent water from ever hitting the leaves. They do not like water in their leaves at all, and it can cause mildews and molds if they get wet. And I've even seen them just crisp up after getting wet. And maybe see if I can find a crispy leaf here. Something maybe on the edges like this. If you get them wet, they will sometimes just die like that. So it's really healthy for them to never get wet, and this is one of the best methods. You can give them a nice long spa treatment, especially when they're in this droopy stage. And if you have the right drainage mixtures in the soil so the water drains out once you take it out, they like these nice soaks. And that soak will typically last anywhere from 7 to 10 days before it starts to get droopy again. Which makes them pretty easy to care for. You don't have to really fret about watering them every few days. You just give them a nice good bath. And I wait until the soil on top is totally wet completely, and it'll kind of drink the water out of there. So I have a little cup that I pour water into the side right here, being careful to not get the leaves. Keep it nice and full, give it a nice bath, get this soiled so it is soaking wet. And with the right mixtures, like I said, really loose and airy. You don't want it clumped up. All that water will drain out, and yeah, it'll be a happy plant. I mean, this thing is growing like a charm. It's beautiful. I love these escargots. I think that's what this is. Not exactly sure of the bloodlines, but